Funny
Hello guys, welcome back to Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. Insert funny joke.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing a dog throwing video with this insane dog that likes to have mental tantrums time to time.
Yeah, that.
Throw the ball.
Okay.
Chimichangas.
And
Get back here! Get back here, boy! Okay, oh my god. You okay?
no.
She had a chimichanga.
Oh, no, that was my last chimichanga.
They eat you.
I can.
Oh guys, I think I'm breaking into the net. Hello. I bet I'm faster than you. I have to run with one arm so you guys can not really see. You know, this is us. Ah! 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 I'm tied up. What do I do? Haha. You got so sad. Oh, by the way, happy Thanksgiving if it's Thanksgiving for you guys.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Give me the ball! Give me. Get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Bum, 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 bum. By the way, this ad is sponsored by... Lido. Oh my god, guys. Look how hard this obstacle course is. I'm gonna try doing it while I'm just looking in the phone camera. Back to another video of a sign.